everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe. This is a great car with a documented history. The car was bought brand new on New Year's Eve in North Carolina. It's just spent its entire life down there. The gentleman I bought it from, I think he said he's the third owner, and he was out of South Carolina. About 10 years ago, guys, it went through a complete body-up restoration. It's finished in Candyapple red. It's got the red interior. It's got a built 289 in it with a comp cam and roller rockers. It's got a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission in it, disc brakes. Just a great car. Runs and drives excellent. Good solid Carolina body on it. Just a pretty car. Good, solid, straight little pony, guys. Paint's nice, interior's nice. Again, we've got all the receipts for the restoration. The car was very nicely done. Other than a couple little stone packs, there's not a whole lot you can really nitpick on it. You see it's got the GT fog lights in it. It's not a GT. Chrome and stainless is very nice on the car. Sorry guys, little dust. It's we're rushing a little bit. You can kind of see it's getting gray. There's a storm on the way. So I'm trying to get this ad done real quick. But pretty car. And again, plenty of performance. I love the 5-speed. It's got, like I say, nice little cam to it. Car runs and drives excellent. Nice and tight. Almost feel the air cooling down here. The weather's definitely in the air. Yeah, it's just a good car, man. That's what kind of impressed me. I get in it, you open and shut the doors, you know, it's just a solid sound car. Nice and straight down the sides. Got the style wheels all the way around it, newer rubber. Car's nice and clean underneath. We got some good pictures of the underbody of the car for you. Sorry guys, there's some little wax in the crevices. Like I say, we're rushing just a little bit here. Does have front disc brakes. Pretty car. Again, 289, they've converted it to a 4-barrel. It's a factory C-code car. Edelbrock intake and comp cam, roller rockers. Does have headers, manual steering, manual front disc brakes. Again, T5 manual transmission. Stock radiator with an electric fan. And you can see your VIN number still on your inner fenders. Just a good looking car. Car's got a great look to it. And the guy I bought it from says it's just always been a good car. Always been a little crack in your paint there. Says always just been a adult-owned, you know, well-maintained car. I've got the original owner's manuals for it. You can nitpick the A-pillar chrome a little bit. That's your original mirror. It's a remote mirror. Door handles are pretty nice. There's your original door tag. Bucket seats, you can see this is the original. This is the original interior for this car. Shows a little bit of wear. Again, you can nitpick any of them, guys. I've sold over 6,000 of these cars, and I always tell people, man, you can nitpick any of them. None of them are perfect. But this is a very, very nice car. You can see he's converted it to the Phantom gauges. That 16,000 is since he restored it. AM/FM radio. It's got the Hurst shifter. Dash is really nice. Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock rear end with a 320 gear. Again, here's all your paperwork on the restoration. There's your receipts, a lot of the manuals for everything he did. New fuel tank. You can see how nice this thing is in here. Car is nice. Factory jack with the spare. See how nice that and clear that back window is. Pretty car. And the bottom of the car is nice. Got it up in the air. Got you some good pictures of the bottom. I know there's a ton of cars that I've got coming, guys. My guys really should have cleaned these up a little bit. I will have them do that. Remind them that those are just new door rubbers and they need a little silicone put on them. But there's a bunch of stuff on our site that's just got one picture, says coming soon. A lot of the stuff's actually here. Unfortunately, I'm traveling quite a bit right now trying to buy more. If you call the guys, a lot of times they get you more pictures, shoot you a little video with their phone. I know that gets people crazy when cars sell before we actually get them fully advertised, but they just move fast, guys. This is a great car. Owner's manual is in there. Yeah, it's kind of spitting little raindrops here as the sun peeks out, which is a little weird. Welcome to Michigan, I'd say. Car runs and drives excellent. Good solid body. Car just sounds great. All your gauges are working. Full pressure, all those gauges are functional. Parking brake does work. This is a nice car, guys. Backup lights work.
Nothing on the radio.
Nothing on the radio. Blower motor?
Yep.
Blower motor does work. Nothing on the radio, guys. Looking for the switch for the fog lights. They're on. Cool. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is an outstanding car, guys. Have a great day, guys.